Just to start recording as well. Down one for first gear, that's all you need.
Right, okay. I'll grab you after me.
Yeah.
Hold that in and
Shall I put a bit of choke on?
Oh. Start again. With faults.
no, safety first, come on. It's got to be Michael left. Hello, my name's Viking, and I ride me BMX with a helmet like this one.
Oh.
How's that idea?
Too much throttle there. And again. Oh no.
Oh, I can hold the clutch smooth.
A bit throttle.
That's good old stuff, that is. That's good.
Oh, what the hell?
I'm giving it a throttle, isn't I?
Yeah.
I won't give it a hit throttle.
For the fellow YouTubers, we actually know what we're doing.
3 strikes now.
I know. Hey. Loose turn. Turning helps. Where were you off to trying to do this great escape? Huh?
No.
Where were you off to trying to do this great escape? Yeah.
Well, he ain't gonna jump on that fucker. Oh, okay.
Oh, I might have to do it now, that's okay. Ah.
It better be.
Yeah, last go, we want to go as well.
I want to see it on the good, so I think I can do it.
Yeah, one go down.
Have to do such a moment.
You're out.
I think the once more, nothing else, even if it stalls.
If you stall, you get an apple thrown at you.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Which way is throttle on? Up.
Push it towards me.
Up.
Wheelie it, Luke, wheelie it.
I'm not wheeling it.
I can read it.
Yeah, got you.
Wait a minute.
That's got a lot of drive.
Alright.
I'm going to fly, it's got loads of choke.
No. That's fair.
That hurt. Oh, you done.